What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is James, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please do so right now. Click on the bell icon to get notified every single time we do a new video. So today I want to talk to you about businesses you can begin online straight away. Let's get those credits rolling. Number one business that you can start: blogging. Blogging requires you to write. Blogging is actually writing. So this is how you can make money on your blog. Number one, every single time you talk about something on your blog, you can place what are known as affiliate links. Now, these affiliate links are website redirecting pages or links that once someone clicks on them and they do a particular action on the other side, you can be able to make money from there. So, for instance, if you're writing about baby diapers, why did I think of baby diapers? Oh yeah, if you're a mom and you're thinking about, or you're writing about baby diapers, this is what you can do. In the story that you're writing about baby diapers, you can recommend brands that mothers can actually use and brands that the babies will not be allergic to. And on the links that you place there, you can actually get them when they buy those particular baby diapers on that particular site that you have sent them to. If, for instance, it is $100, the company may decide to pay you $10 or $5 or whatever amount it is. So that is one way, using affiliate links on blogs. And once you are writing as well, you can take your site, your website, to be connected to what is known as Google AdSense. Now, this is how Google AdSense works. When you're reading a blog article, there are some times that you see a link on an advertisement. A particular company is advertising. Now, every single advert that is on your page can either be paid to you. There are two different types of payments on AdSense, where it is either pay per view, where if I come and read your blog and I see that particular advert, you're paid. Or there is pay per click, where it requires that even if you have viewed, you would need to go to our website. You need to click the way it says. You need to click on that link and go to that website. Once the reader, not you, the writer, once the reader goes to that website, whatever they do there is whether they'll purchase or they just needed to get to the website. Once they have clicked, you get paid. Of course, pay per click makes you much more per interaction, but pay-per-view can make you much more money if you have a very busy website. So blogging is one business that you can begin online straight away. Now, this is how you begin a blog. You would need a website. Now, a website must be hosted, and hosting can cost anything from $1 to $100. There are different sites that you can go to, which I will place some links below. One good domain site is called GoDaddy, where you can actually purchase your domain, build a website from there, and you can move from there. The second is called Hostgator, where you can be able to build a professional website, and from that professional website you can be able to start your blog from there. So I will place some links down there. Click on them. You can be able to get your website up and running today if you're a blogger. The second business that you can be able to start online today is called Freelance Business. Now, Freelance Business means that you can work for any person anywhere in the world, and there are very many sites that you can go to where you'll actually be able to open a freelance profile, and then you can be able to start your business from there. In freelance writing, there are so many businesses that you can get into, and I'll do a specific video on freelance businesses that you can be able to start. So this is just a summary of freelance businesses. So you can do writing, you can do article writing, you can do photography, you can do retouching, you can do graphic design, you can make websites, you can do video editing, you can do public speaking, virtual assistant. There are so many businesses that you can get into. If there is a business that is being done offline today, it can also be done online. And there are sites that you can go to where you can sign up. One of the most popular is called upwork.com. I'll place a link in the description where you can join. It is free to join, but you also need to learn of the best practices on that site for you to make money as a professional. One of the easiest sites that I know that you can get into and actually make money from it is called Fiverr.com. It's Fiverr.com, where you can start pricing your work from $5 all the way to whatever level that you are. And of course, there are other websites which I have said I will do a specific video on freelancing websites that you can use and freelancing types and genres that you can get into, and you will make yourself some money. The third business that you can get into is social media management. Now, one of the things that you need to understand is just because you are comfortable with social media does not mean that other people are also comfortable with social media. And that is a gap. Every single business should be and must be online. That means Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, wherever else, Snapchat, all those other websites, a company requires to be online on all those platforms, depending on whatever they're doing. But ideally, they should be active on all those websites. And for many business people, even the prospect of making sure that you're up to date, you're posting every day or every week, and it is daily, and it is work that you're actually doing consistently, can be very daunting. And that is where, as a young person, you can come in. So this is simple. This is how you can do it. You go to their Facebook page and you look at their telephone contact, if they have a telephone contact on their Facebook page, and make a call and introduce yourself and say, I'm so and so, and this is what I do for businesses. I do social media management. Now I'll make sure that I post, make sure that I engage with your clients, make sure that I do this 4 or 5 things that you will do for that business on several platforms if they are there on all those platforms, and charge a regular fee, whether it is weekly or monthly, or you're being paid per post that you do. Now that is a way that you can be able to actually make money doing social media management. So instead of just going on Facebook and posting photos of you eating food and you going to places, you can actually be on Facebook or be on that social website where you can actually make money for yourself while doing something that essentially is free for everyone to do, but you can be able to do it as part of your business. The good thing with social media management is that you can be able to take up several clients. If you can take 3 or 4, if you can be able to sustain all of them, and you have a system which will enable you to auto schedule posts especially, then you can take even up to 5 clients and make sure that you're actually giving them value for their money. That will be money that you're making every single day. You do not have to leave the house in order to make that kind of money. The better you are, the better rates that you can charge. Another online business that you can start right away is selling items online, and that is pretty simple. Whatever is being sold in shops, in stalls, you can also pick and sell online. It's really simple. This is what you need to do. You need to buy 2 or 3 items, take really awesome photos of them, and then place them on your social media page and tell people that you're selling them. You can have bought them at $5 and you sell them at $7, 500 shillings, and sell them at 700. And you can, if you're a university student, this would be perfect for you, because you just put some of the clothes in your room. You would buy them from wherever it is that you buy them. And then when someone asks for a particular item, all you need to do is, especially if you're learning in CBD, carry it in the morning when you're going to class. Once your class is over, deliver it to your client. You're not really spending money doing it because you would still have gone to class, you'd have still gone to the CBD. So all you're doing is making sure that you have stock. 2 or 3 items of a particular stock is enough as you're starting. As you go on, as your business grows, you can be able to take orders, go buy a few things, and then come and resell them. As your business continues to gain credibility, you can ask your clients to pay a particular amount, say 50%. That 50% is what you're going to use to go and buy those items, come and sell them to them, and you can do that over and over again. And the good thing is, social media essentially is free. So you have a free shop online that you have access to every single person in your locality, in the town, in your country, and you can be able to make money from there. So an online Facebook page would be a perfect way to start, because that is where you're going to make your money. So I hope these businesses will be able to assist you to take that first step, begin your online business today. Just go out and start your own business, because that is how you're going to be independent. That is how you're going to make money tomorrow. Do you have any other ideas of online businesses people can begin in the same day and be able to get the ball rolling? Please share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear some of the ideas that you have, even some of the business that you're doing online today. How much money is it making you? It's a secret between the two of us, but you can share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear the response that you have. So subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with a friend of yours who would need to start their online business today, and then I will see you in the next video.